Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix System32 folder keeps popping up continuously at startup in Windows 11. First method is right-click taskbar, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps. Disable all unwanted startup apps one by one. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scanno. Type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.